Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, hello, my name is Nicole Khumalo. I post makeup tutorials as well as plus size try on fashion hauls, so if you're interested in seeing any of those, you can click on the little red subscribe button down below, and that'll send all my videos to the subscription tab. And if you like them even more, you can click on the little gray bell next to the subscribe button, and that'll ensure that you get notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, I think we should get a shirt on. What do you think? Yeah, I think we should get a shirt on, right? Okay, I'll be right back. We're back. Got a shirt on. I'm clothed. Let's just dive right in. All right, so I have a bag down here. 1 second for all the noise. Okay, so I just tipped all the contents of the bag out onto my bed just to avoid that noise, you know, the noise. But yeah, I'm just gonna pick randomly because it's just all randomly on my bed. So there's a little bit of cotton on here, there's a little bit of disc cam. Let's get in. I'm gonna start with the small stuff. So at disc cam I picked up this Cetaphil oil control foam wash, and this is how the box looks. It says it's formulated for acne prone skin. My skin's not really acne prone, but I read the purple box when I got home, so I didn't really feel like going back and doing the whole return thing, so I just kept it and I'm just gonna use it. But yeah, it is for acne prone skin, but it also says it's clinically proven to remove excess oil and control shine. So, and it says calming formula won't over dry skin. So I wanted the oil control portion of it, but it wasn't really made for my type of skin. My skin is on the sensitive side, and they do have a whole sensitive range, but you can check them out. They're really good. This is what I use for my face. I use the skin cleanser, I believe it's called, all skin cleanser, I can't remember, but it's a cleanser, and it doesn't have the purple, so that's what I use. It doesn't come in a box as well, but I picked this up and I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes. If it doesn't break me out or anything like that, then I'll probably continue to use it for the oil control purposes. Then we went to Cotton On and I got some secret socks. They're just black. They have holes in them. I don't know if you can see. It's like it's not focused, so it's not gonna, like, it's gonna be blurred out. So they're like, what is it called, perforated, but they're secret socks. There's nothing special about them. At Cotton On you can get 3 pairs of socks for $100, so I got one, and my mom got another, and my sister got another. So we went to H&M because I was looking for jeans. Now, you know I love H&M jeans. They're literally my favorite jeans in the whole world. I'm obsessed with them, and the one pair that I've been wearing forever, I've literally worn it so many times, it's actually started to tear in between my thighs, so I can't wear them anymore, which sucks. So we went to go look for the exact same pair, and when we got there, they had them there, but they had a sale as well, so I went to something from the sale instead, but I will go back for them. It's inevitable. They sit too well. Anyway, we went there. They had like racks of sale stuff, and I got this pair of shorts. So this is just the H&M Plus regular waist shorts, and this is how they look. Pretty light wash. I'm really into jeans that are like this kind of wash, and then darker ones, like super dark blue, and these I love, and then lighter ones as well. So I think I'm into a lot. I don't like grays. I don't know, they don't look that great, so on me personally. Anyway, I picked this up. This is in a size 52, so it's a US 22, which is probably a UK 26, if I'm not mistaken. It's a US 22. It should be, oh, let's check the tag. It's not on the tag. Okay, US 22, European 52. Love them. Has pockets in the back and the front, functional pockets, and a zip functioning. Yep. I know, crazy. Love them. Love how they sit. Love the fold at the bottom. I tried on so many jeans that day. I tried on, I think, probably like 8 pieces of denim that day, and initially I was going to go get long jeans, but I tried all of them on and these sit the best on me, so I picked these. These were on sale. Original price was $3.79 and I got them for $1.30. Boom, baby. These sit the best on me. I love how they sit. They made me feel, it's just a feeling that you get when you try on jeans and they make you feel snatched. Those gave me that out of all the pairs of jeans that I tried on. The next thing that I got is this dress. Now, I saw this dress on the rack and just before I was going to the fitting room, and I grabbed it and I went to go try it on, and I love the way it sits on me. I love it so much. It is on the shorter side on me, but new year, new me, I'm being rebellious, okay? I'm kidding. I love how it sits on me. It is short. It is what it is. Such is life. My cousin hates that. So this is the dress. I'm very into black and white right now. I think it's because of my little Vans phase obsession thing that I'm going through. But black and white is really, yeah, I love it. So it's this dress. It's hooded. So it has a hoodie, and then on the sides it's got on the arms it has text on the side, and the text says disconnected on both sides, and then at the bottom here it says offline online. So I love it. It's a long sleeve. It's super warm. It's warm. It's like warm. I can't explain it. It's this warmish, very soft material. Love it. These are functioning straps to tighten your hood if you want to. I love the length. I love the way it folds. I love the way it clings and shapes my body. I absolutely love it. So I got it. Okay, so that's everything from H&M, and now we're gonna move on to EDGARS. Okay, so we went to EDGARS and I picked up some stuff. I was initially supposed to pick up stuff a while back, but I never got around to it, so I just picked them up. When was this? When did we go? Recently. Okay. So at EDGARS I got this tank top. I get all my tank tops from EDGARS. That's because that's where I used to buy them, so I've not really gone hunting. They fit really nicely. They do the job. So this one's in a size 18 and it's just this gray color. And this is what I kind of use them as anchors, you could say, for my jeans, because most of them are jeggings, so they don't have loops, and I hate belts anyway, so I would rather not wear a belt. So I just tuck in my tank top, and the jean kind of has something to grip on. So the tank top allows for the jean to grip onto it, so then it stays up fairly better than it would on my normal skin. So that's why I got this, and this retailed for $89.95. It's from the Kelso range. Okay, another thing that I got from the Kelso range, it's also in a size 18, and this retailed for $229.95. It's this bodysuit. I love this color. Is it like a teal? Like a very pale pastel tealy color. Oh, it says light green. It says light green on the tag. Okay, I'm just reading that. But anyway, it's this bodysuit, and it's like it almost like wraps in the front. I don't know if you'll see it in the try-on portion, but it sits really nicely, apart from the fact that, you know, if I was a little taller, my boobs would be out, so that's probably a problem. And then the bottom of the jumpsuit is just your normal clip-on thing, the clasp. I like it. I like the color on me. it's pretty, and there was tons of different colors, so that's nice. And then another thing that I picked up was this dress, also from the Kelso range. I absolutely love this color on me, you guys. Like, look, you'll see it in try on portion, but this color, everything. I love how it looks on my skin, well, I guess my skin. I love how it looks. It's also in a size 18. This one was on sale for 150. Original price was 200, so it's just like 50 rand off. But I love this dress. It's that slinky, what can I compare this to? Like just your normal shirt material. I love this material. It stretches like crazy, so it molds around you, so you don't have to worry about anything like that, unless you don't like so you don't have to worry about it fitting. Unless you don't like it to be fitted onto your body, then you probably won't like it. But if you don't mind, then it kind of shapes you out, which is probably normally not a good thing. But if you're gonna wear like shapewear or one of those high-waisted shaping underwear or something like that, then this should look really pretty. It's quite long on me. If I was longer, it would probably hit at a nicer length, but it is quite long on me. I would have liked it to sit by my knees rather than where it sits. It kind of sits just before my ankles, which is so long. But it's a high neck and it doesn't have any arms, so it's very summer. Okay, when I look at this dress, I see summer. I love this color, and they say that it is a pink. It's a pink. It's more of a peachy blush pink. Love it. Okay, and then from the Penny C section, I got this. I don't know what it is. This retailed for $100. Original price was $459.95, and it was on clearance for $100. If I can see, it probably just has the color. This is in a size 2/3XL. This was the only size that they had, but I don't mind it because I like how it sits on me. It has a huge hoodie up here, and then it's earthy colors. So it's got this beige, like a really dark beige on the initial front of it, and then on the inside of it, it's got this gray that it's lined with on the outside as well. So I like how it sits on me. It is in the biggest size because that's the only size that they had, but I truly like it. It's fairly warm, but it doesn't have any arms, so you're not going to be like sweating. It's for those days just before winter gets really bad, or just after the bad is fading away. Then you can wear something like this. I love it. I love the hood. I'm all about massive hoodies, or hoodies in general actually. And then the last two things I got are in the athleisure department. Okay, so we went to the sports okay, so we went to the sports section, and the first thing that I picked up were these pants. I guess you could call them trainers, or I forgot the other name, but these are from Pro Action. These are actually men's pants. Wow, okay. Honestly, I couldn't care less if they were men's or women's or unisex. I don't care. These are in a XL, and these retailed for $350. No, I'm lying. These retailed for $200. Original price was $449. So they're these black pants, really comfortable. They have this like reflex strip, like a silver reflex strip going down the leg, and then at the bottom they have what are these? Shit. Like zips. Yes, they have zips that you can actually unzip and zip down, so they're perfectly functional zips. Love them. Okay, so this is how the pants look. This is the front of the pants. They're just really comfortable. I saw them and I'm like, wow, that's gonna be comfortable. Let me get them. They also have functioning zips. They sit really nicely on. As I said, it's a size XL, and I got these for 200 rand. And then the last thing that I got, probably my favorite, if we're excluding the whole H&M stuff, because those are my favorites, but these are gym pants as well. Love them. It's this gray color. They're also from Pro Action. Is it Pro Action? Shit. Yes, Pro Action running tights, it says on here. Ladies active leggings, and these are in a size 16, and these retailed for $2.50. Original price was $349.95. So this is how they look. Love them. They look like your plain run-of-the-mill gray running pants, right? And then you get to the leg and you're just like, hello, hi sexy. So this is how the legs look as you go down. So you have this strap over here, strap of mesh material that goes across your leg, and then all the way down the side of the leg you also have mesh material. I love how these sit. These sit so beautifully. I'm obsessed with the mesh, and I honestly am planning on wearing these outside of the gym because they look so freaking cute and they sit so well. So I don't see why I should restrict myself to wearing them to the gym only. And I guarantee you that no one's going to come up to me and tell me that those are gym pants and you can only wear them to the gym, because I will cut someone, okay? So yeah, I like these. I love these. They are so cute. And that is it. That is everything that I have to haul for you guys. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. They'll pop up on the screen right here. And that's where I give like posting clips and information. And that's where I take lots of makeup photos that I don't film or that don't go onto Instagram. Then you'll see them on Snapchat and my personal life. So you can check that out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.